I am getting ready to go to my hair appointment that I scheduled through Mayvenn Hair's website. I ordered my hair, like I showed you from the last video, and here it is. It's in this FedEx thing right now. But let me show you how they package the bundles and stuff for me. So it's in here. It comes with a cute book, guide to your hair care, love your hair and it will love you back, period. And here are my bundles. So they have it in these cute little satin baggies, and it lets you know what each of the lengths are right here. So this is Malaysian body wave, and this is my 20-inch portion, and this one is my 18-inch portion. Is this the closure? Oh, the 18-inch closure. Ow. And then what's this one? I forgot my lengths that I ordered. So let's see. And then we have 24. So I have 24-inch, I'm guessing, because I'm guessing this other one is going to be 22. So I have what? I have 20. So my longest one is 24. Wow. Guys, if you know, I do not have hair. So this is gonna be very interesting. So I have 24, 22, and 20. Then I have an 18-inch closure. Wow, I'm so excited. I'm really excited, actually. I'm very excited. So I have my hair in this bonnet because the complimentary hair install includes a lot of stuff. So let me go show you what it includes. Hold on. Yeah, so this is my email that confirms like my appointment or whatever, and this is my voucher redemption code that I'm gonna use, and it says the closure voucher will cover one free install that includes shampoo, condition, braid down, install, and light styling. Additional charges, blah blah blah. So like it includes all this, so that is the reason why I have my bonnet on. It includes everything. I have my bonnet on for that because she's gonna wash and condition my hair. So I am going to get ready. I'm actually ready. I'm going like this because I'm gonna come out looking like the baddest of the baddest with my bundles. So I'm going like this. I have my little dress on, getting ready to go. So let's see how it goes. Just pulled up to Salon by JC Hair in Sugarland, and I'm gonna go in and check in for my appointment. It's been maybe over 2 weeks since my install, like the previous footage that I showed you. And girl, my hair is, do you see? It is still flourishing. It is amazing, still bouncy, still beautiful. I did get to go back to my stylist and get it washed and everything. She's amazing. I'm gonna link her below. Fuse Hair, she's the bomb here in Sugarland, Texas, Houston, Texas. And y'all, I can't, Mayvenn did what they had to do. Just remember that Mayvenn provides hair, all types of hair styles. You can look through all of their things online, and they do provide complimentary install services, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. Just know Mayvenn gets personal. They have really have been getting personal with us learning about us and they know about our relationship with our hair is really important. And you know, they took care of your girl. Mayvenn did what they had to do with these bundles and the complimentary installation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching my install. It was great. It was amazing. See you guys next time.